Welcome back to the channel, Mullen. Thank y'all for tuning in for another video. If you're new, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you get more content coming from me. Today was kind of rough, as well as the last day, down almost 20% in 2 days back to back, following the Russell 2000, 3000 news not getting put out there on the media. However, most of the market was down as well. SPY was getting crushed today. Mullen is still in an overall upwards trend. If you zoom out, make sure you always try to zoom out before you start to worry and look at the bigger picture. We have approximately 2 trading days left until the end of Q2 Fortune 500 announcement we are anticipating. As we discussed previously, we knew that the borrow fee rate for borrowing shares of short against Mullen stock will be rising going into the catalyst, and we're up another 20% in the past 4 days, sitting at around 43% borrow fee for them to borrow shares of short against Mullen. Now, if you've been watching the line and starting to doubt a little bit on Mullen, the CEO and stuff like that, and you think these hedge funds always have the advantage and they're not in deep shit right now, take a look at this. Yahoo Finance says hedge funds brace for impact. 10 top stocks to dump now. And in this article, it has stocks such as Meta, Peloton, Roblox. It says elite hedge funds in the United States are exceedingly cautious with their long positions as the share prices have been heavily battered and the stock market has faced a major slump. According to Morgan Stanley, by mid-June, U.S. hedge funds have slashed their net exposure to its lowest point since 2010. With the S&P 500 down 18% so far in 2022, prominent money managers have revealed significant bearish calls in their investment portfolios. Hedge funds are aggressively taking up short positions to protect their portfolios. Some of the major hedge funds that have performed poorly in 2022 include Tiger Club, Chase Coleman's, Tiger Global Management, Lee Ainsley's Maverick Capital, Alex Sacred Oats, Whale Rock Capital Management, and Dan Loeb's Third Point. A lot of these hedge funds make some of the same moves. They communicate, follow some of the most prominent hedge funds moves, and dabbing into crypto, shorting it, is one of these moves lately that these struggling hedge funds have been taking part in. Indian Express says hedge funds being used to short Tether create another Terra Luna episode. We've seen Terra Luna drop almost 100%. The world's largest stablecoin, Tether, is likely being shorted by hedge funds. This comes as the market continues to witness an intense sell-off after the Luna Terra fiasco. Shorting or short selling refers to an act of selling a digital asset in the hope that it falls in value and then you can buy it back at a lower price. Traders then profit from the difference in the market price. Shorting Tether. Hedge funds are shorting Tether as the Federal Reserve is raising interest by 0.75% to reduce the supply of the dollar and ultimately reduce inflation. Since Tether is pegged to USD, hedge funds believe this should also impact the Tether stablecoin as per the report. Meanwhile, other hedge funds are concerned whether there are any assets backing Tether. The last point says, however, Tether's CTO Paolo took to Twitter and refuted all the claims by hedge funds. Ardonio mentioned all the tools being used by traditional finance to short Tether. He attested that competitors were spreading via coordinated troll networks to ruin Tether's reputation and cause a black swan event. Sounds familiar, right? It is worth noting that if hedge funds do short Tether, it could depeg from its value, causing another stablecoin crash. However, unlike Terra Luna, it is not an algo stablecoin, which means it is backed by real assets. So these hedge funds are trying to find ways to recoup losses over 2022 so far. Just wanted to let my Mullenaires know what's up. That's all I got for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay charged up, and I'll catch you on the next video. I'm gone.